Hello and welcome to this Promathematica for Competitive Exams channel. My name is Gracie and I've been teaching mathematics and Java since the early 2010s. We're going to start the discussion about competitive exams a little differently than you may be expecting. This module elaborates the problems and solutions for aptitude test and its comprehensive demonstration through Java programming. Why would I want to use Java? Well, here's a peek ahead at the answer. Because we'll be able to develop easily. A competitive examination is an examination where candidates are ranked according to their grades and/or percentile, and then top rankers are selected. Competitive examinations are considered an egalitarian way to select worthy applicants without risking influence peddling, bias, or other concerns. Early exposure to learning and competition builds confidence and sharpens skills, which raise your level from other students on the same platform. Competitive exams also help out in choosing a career as students start identifying their areas of interest while getting a deeper knowledge of subjects. Top business schools based in North America, Europe, Asia, and Australia conduct this exam. Several leading corporations also conduct such tests for assessing potential candidates' quantitative reasoning skills. Today, I am going to cover a very important topic. It is volume and surface area. I am going to represent several problems and solutions based around this topic. I will be writing code for the solutions using Java. So, let's get started without further delay. A hollow iron pipe is 21 centimeters long and its external diameter is 8 centimeters. If the thickness of the pipe is 1 centimeter and iron weighs 8 grams per cm cube, then the weight of the pipe is? External radius equals 4 centimeters, internal radius equals 3 centimeters. Volume of iron equals pi times external radius square minus internal radius square times pipe length equals 462 centimeters cube. Weight of iron equals volume of iron times 8 is equal to 3,696 grams. A boat having a length 3 m and breadth 2 m is floating on a lake. The boat sinks by 1 centimeter when a man gets on it. The mass of the man is? Here is an answer with explanation. Volume of water displayed equals length multiplied by breadth multiplied by sink length. Mass of man equals volume of water displaced multiplied by density of water equals 60 kilometers. "66 cubic centimeters of silver is drawn into a wire 1 millimeter in diameter. The length of the wire in meters will be?" Here is an answer with explanation. Let the length of the wire be h. Radius equals 1 by 20 centimeters. Then, height equals area multiplied by 1. by radius square multiplied by 1 by pi equals 8,400 centimeters. Java is a high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. Programmers write once, run anywhere, meaning that compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need for recompilation. The JDK is a development environment for building applications using the Java programming language. The JDK 12.0.2 Windows x64 bin exe includes tools useful for developing and testing programs written in the Java and running on the Java platform. In addition, the Spring Tool Suite, STS, provides the best Eclipse-powered development environment for building Spring-powered enterprise applications. STS supplies tools for all of the latest enterprise Java and Spring, and comes on top of the latest Eclipse releases. STS supports application targeting to local, virtual, and cloud-based servers. It is freely available for development, and internal business operations use with no time limits. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the height for earlier solved problem 1. I have used the scanner class's object for reading the input values from the console. NextInt method reads the integer values one by one from the console. I have closed the scanner object by calling close method to avoid excessive memory usages and to improve application's performance. Next, radius is calculated as 1 divided by 20. Next, the height is calculated as 1 by pi multiplied by square of 1 by radius times area. The last step is to return the height. Here, I am printing the height by calling volume surface method. Execute the code by right-clicking on the Java class. Here is the result on console. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the iron weight for earlier solved problem 2. I have used the scanner class's object for reading the input values from the console. NextInt method reads the integer values one by one from the console. I have closed the scanner object by calling close method to avoid excessive memory usages and to improve application's performance. Next, external radius is calculated as diameter divided by 2. Next, internal radius is calculated as external radius minus 1. Next, iron volume is calculated as pi multiplied by external radius multiplied by external radius minus internal radius multiplied by internal radius multiplied by length. The final iron weight equals iron volume multiplied by iron weight. The last step is to return the final iron weight. Here, I am printing the final iron weight by calling volume surface method. Execute the code by right-clicking on the Java class. Here is the result on console. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the man's mass for earlier solved problem 3. I have used the scanner class's object for reading the input values from the console. NextInt method reads the integer values one by one from the console. I have closed the scanner object by calling close method to avoid excessive memory usages and to improve application's performance. Next, volume of water equals the product of length, diameter, and pipe thickness divided by 100. The mass of man equals volume of water displaced times density of water. Next, mass of man equals volume of water times 1000. The last step is to return the mass of man. Here, I am printing the mass of man by calling volume surface method. Execute the code by right-clicking on the Java class. Here is the result on console. Hope you liked this video. In order to see new videos, don't forget to subscribe to Promathematica channel.